Q4 is the QSystems editorial publishing system. It represents the fourth generation of production systems developed by the company over the past 30 years. Built on the experience of dozens of publishing projects, it brings together a rich legacy of innovation expressed through exclusive features and proprietary technologies. But among these technologies, Semantic cross-publishing stands out by giving textbook publishers a unique advantage: the convergence of print and digital into a single workflow. It is an all-in-one environment that feels instantly familiar to experienced editorial teams, fits naturally into their way of working, and adapts to the specific culture of every publishing house. So, what does this mean? The system displays different windows to each user based on their assigned permissions. Creating a publication and defining its structure couldn't be easier. We enter a name and an ID. Then click OK. We can create sections and subsections at as many levels as defined in the collection setup. Finally, we import documents into the corresponding parts, whether they are templates or existing documents at any stage. The Q4 content palette is the cornerstone of Semantic cross-publishing. It enables any piece of content within a document to be linked directly to the Q4 database. If we modify content in InDesign, those changes are written back to the Q4 database when the document is checked in. Q4 then notifies the other systems and propagates the updated information. The changes are automatically reflected across all connected systems. Today, we must consider artificial intelligence and retrieval-augmented generation as part of those systems. They are already helping teachers, schools, students, and parents in meaningful ways. As open-source LLMs continue to evolve, it is becoming increasingly feasible to imagine and deploy fixed-cost AI services such as content simplification, clearer explanations, clarification of terms and expressions, translation for international students, content-based question answering, relationship maps, and much more. But how do we use the content palette to make all of this possible? Simply by identifying each section of text and every image in the content palette. In this case, I select the text and click the title node, followed by the main text node. Anyone can link new content by creating an information entity. Simply select the frames that make up the entity, then use the menu to create it. Choose the appropriate entity type. Click OK, and you're done. We then proceed just as before, mapping the image frames and text frames to the appropriate nodes. This is the only possible approach when tagging content from completed books that were not originally created in Q4. When working on a new book, we can even skip this simple process by using pre-tagged libraries. Using the Q4 selector, we open a library and drag an element onto the page. A photo and its caption are created automatically. As soon as we add text or an image to the frames, the XML is generated with the correct structure. With this approach, you can create new publications without ever using the content palette, while publishing digitally and supplying AI systems in a single workflow.